Urdu couplet you provided can be roughly translated as follows: exalt yourself so much that before every destiny, God himself asks you, tell me, what is your wish? This couplet is an encouragement to strive for excellence and to aim for greatness in life. The phrase, Khudi ko kar buland, means, exalt yourself, or, elevate yourself. It suggests that one should aim to become the best version of themselves, to achieve their full potential, and to rise above their circumstances. The second line of the couplet is a reminder that God is the ultimate authority and that our ultimate purpose in life should be to seek his pleasure. The phrase, teri raza kya hai, means, what is your wish, or, what pleases you? It suggests that we should strive to align our goals and desires with God's will and seek his approval in all that we do. In summary, this couplet is a call to action to pursue excellence and strive for greatness while remaining mindful of our ultimate purpose in life, which is to seek God's pleasure.